What's up, my kings and queens? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe. What's up? Subscribe, support your girl. You know, we're on this journey together, so just subscribe, okay? Make sure you like the video if it was helpful for you. Make sure you comment down below if you have some questions, concerns regarding the process, and I'll try to get to you, respond to you as soon as I can. Into this video, I will be doing a crochet method called the individual illusion braided method. So where you do individuals in the front, either with rubber band or you can just braid it out individually, and then you're gonna braid down as a cornrow to connect them. And you will get to see the process as we get along. I do want to apologize in advance. My camera, not my camera, but my lighting was not good. I got a new ring light, couldn't figure out how to um, adjust my color correctly. So sorry in advance. And also, I didn't care about the back. So you might see at the end where my back is not done. I was tired. So I didn't focus on the back. I just focused on more on the front. Again, don't come for me. This is a new method that I'm trying out. If you try that as well, let me know how you did. Again, please make sure you subscribe to your girl's channel. Please subscribe. Thank you for your support.
B-boy back again. B-boy back again. B-boy back again.
Look, baby. I just wanted to do a little half up and the rest down, and just kind of pull it this way. OMG. I like it, and this is the length that I wanted. I wanted shoulder length. It is super light on my head, and we just did a little bit of our baby hair there, and we're good to go. Ooh. I love it. I honestly feel like I need to put a little bit more here, but I will. But you get the gist. I just wanted you guys to see how it looks. So I could do this. I could also, let's take the rubber band out. We can also do my favorite, I look a little side, a little side swoop situation. We could do, let's see if we could do like a middle part. We could even do a middle part. Okay. Could do a middle part. See? Do a middle part. It's not perfect, but I love it. Like, I don't know what a perfect would be, but I'm definitely feeling the vibe. Oh my gosh, even this, look, this little messy star right here. This is so me. This is so pretty, guys. I love it. I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh. Obsessed. I do want to thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you all for subscribing, liking my channel, watching my videos. This is a new year, so happy new year, you guys. And hopefully the year is starting off great. Hopefully you're getting everything you wished for, everything you dreamed of, everything you wanted in this new year. Always strive for the best and go for it. There is no, just go grab it yourself. I thank you all